I've been exploring the Sleep Cycle mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Sleep Cycle is a sleep tracking and smart alarm app aimed at people who want to understand their sleep patterns and wake up more gently using just their phone. Its main features include automatic sleep tracking using sound or motion, a smart alarm that tries to wake you during lighter sleep, and a library of relaxing sounds, stories, and meditations to help you drift off. Users can also log habits like caffeine or exercise and see long-term trends, which can be handy for spotting what improves or worsens their rest. Ratings are strong overall, with a high average score and many long-time users saying it helps them feel more refreshed and aware of their sleep quality. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers wish for more control over features like custom notes and alarm behavior, and accurate tracking can still depend on how you place your phone and your room environment. The most advanced tools, including full sleep aids and snore detection, sit behind a subscription, which may feel pricey if you only need basic tracking. Overall, it is a solid choice if you value detailed sleep insights, a gentle wake-up, and a coaching-style approach to improving your nights. If you prefer a one-time purchase, need guaranteed perfect data, or dislike subscriptions, you may want to weigh those trade-offs before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.